Hi, I'm Lisa Cooper. I'm a mortgage loan originator with Gulf Coast Bank and Trust Company.
And I'm Daniel Duggan with the Louisiana Housing Corporation. And as we approach hurricane season, it's important to get you and your home ready for whatever may come our way.
A lot of times when we get ready for hurricane season, we think about protecting the physical things in our home. While protecting your home is essential during any storm, we also want you to think about those important financial documents.
As you get your emergency kit filled with the essentials such as batteries, flashlights, and medication, don't forget certain paperwork, like your insurance policies, ownership or leasing documents, and any bank statements or financial documents that you feel are important.
Having this paperwork ready to go will help you in the long run if disaster strikes.
Think of it as a backup system. By having this paperwork on hand, it shows that you own and what items are covered if they are destroyed.
It's also important to check in with your banking operations and review their policies and procedures during an emergency. Say if there's a power outage in your area or an evacuation set in place, this means most banks will be closed. At Gulf Coast Bank, we encourage our clients to utilize our mobile online banking app for their personal and business accounts.
And if you're unable to access your bank accounts through your bank's mobile app, you can always try telebanking to get account information over the phone. Also, another good idea is to follow your bank on social media. They will post live updates and changes giving you the latest info.
Protecting yourself and your household is essential this hurricane season, and we want you to feel prepared and ready. For information, visit us at gulfbank.com/blog for all of the latest updates.
Stay safe out there, Louisiana, and thank you for joining us.